Hi guys, I'm Mia and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this very easy soft glam look using the Alice+Jane Citrus Oasis palette, so keep watching. And for this look, it's going to be really simple actually. I'm just going to be using one brush and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right to it. I'm going to be using this color right here, just all over my eyelid. You can see it, it is a pretty light color. Just all over, all the way to where the crease is. Alright, once you have that color, I'm going to be using this one right here, kind of like a light red on the outer eye. Bringing it in a little bit. Just like that. So you can see the transition of the two colors there. Until it's all nice and blended. And then I'm going to be using this glitter right here on like the inside of my eye. Well, not the inside, but right here, just a little bit, just to make it pop a little bit. Like that. I'm going to add some on the bottom using just a small brush like this, and I'm going to use the same one that I used on the outer, and just kind of smudge it on the bottom to give it a smoky eye look. finish this look off, I'm just gonna go ahead and use lashes to make your eyes look bigger, make them pop a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes. Alright, and that is the finished look. Like I said, pretty easy, soft glam. And yeah, that's pretty much it.